Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include parking assist system, technology package, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats. Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.